Hey, good morning everyone. Today is Sunday, July 20th. I am headed to Oshkosh. The weather in the Midwest doesn't look very cooperative, so I might have to stop somewhere in Indiana before I head to Oshkosh. The plane is all prepped and ready to go, and we'll be departing IFR, and I'll see you guys in the air. Alright, welcome. We are headed to Oshkosh or somewhere near Oshkosh. Thinking of Milwaukee. The weather in the Midwest kind of looks crappy. We're gonna be stopping in Terre Haute, maybe I'm not saying it right, HUF, to Milwaukee. So that's our destination. So I don't know if I can make it today or not, but that's the plan. And from Milwaukee, we'll be getting a rental car and driving to Oshkosh. So I just got this Bonanza. We're new, relatively new to this airplane. So I am trying to make sure that I stay proficient, build some more hours before I venture myself out to Oshkosh. So we're coming up on 21 right here. Pitchy ground, Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, run up complete.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, hold short, runway 21 right, monitor tower, have a safe flight.
Hold short, 21 right, monitor tower, 900 Alpha Whiskey, thank you.
Number 900 Alpha Whiskey, P2 tower, turn right heading 320, runway 21 left. Correction 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Turn right heading 320, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, 900 Alpha Whiskey.
Down full stop.
Alright.
That was carrier check 697.
Airspeed alive. 65.
On 1 for 21 left.
Alright, positive rate.
Pitch Docker, track 650.
Yeah.
Miles to the northeast.
Landing lights out. Taxi light out.
Number 0 Alpha Whiskey, heading 320, contact and out of departure.
320, contact departure, 0 Alpha Whiskey. Alright, so we're turning to 320. Gonna switch to departure. Standard departure, Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, heading 320, climbing to 3000.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, Atlanta departure ident, climb and maintain 7000 to the altitude.
Climb and maintain 7000, 900 Alpha Whiskey, we are at 2400 to 7000. Okay,
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, radar contact 2 miles west of the Caffey Street, climb and maintain 8000.
Climb maintain 8000, 0 Alpha Whiskey.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, fly heading 345.
345, 0 Alpha Whiskey. Alright, 200 to go for 8000. We're officially somewhat in IMC.
Number 900 Alpha Whiskey, contact Atlanta Center 133.1.
33.1, 900 Alpha Whiskey, thank you for your help. Atlanta Center, Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, level 8000.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, Atlanta Center, good morning, at 1 altitude 3014, so direct destination.
3014 and clear direct to destination, 900 Alpha Whiskey.
Center 5372 is coming, 1000 for 14000. Center 5372, Atlanta Center, good morning, climb maintain level 230. 230, Center 5372.
Alright. So, one camera has shut off. It's become hot. Of course it is.
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, this time moderate and heavy precip, so we're talking 20 miles, which is about 10 to 15 miles long to flight with no significant deviation.
0 Alpha Whiskey, yeah, we'll take maybe a 20 degrees left deviation. Will that work?
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, 10 deviation left, of course, as far as you need is approved and destination when able.
0 Alpha Whiskey, we'll turn now 20 degrees left. I'll start a deviation for weather already. So I'm in IMC, so I can't really see the clouds. So yeah, this is going to be pretty interesting today. A lot of weather related deviation, so hopefully this will keep me clear of this weather. At the bottom of the clouds, so this is interesting. Maybe I'll see the weather here.
Center Delta 1704 with 95 climbing.
I'm gonna stop the camera.
Delta 1704, Atlanta Center, good morning, climb maintain level 230.
See you guys in a minute.
Good morning, level 230.
Alright, welcome back.
One heavy
So
local
we
approach,
are about 40
right
minutes
for the traffic, I'm sorry, for the inbound
Terre Haute,
traffic.
Indiana.
.45.
Doesn't particularly look good. Just north of Indiana. So I might have to wait the weather out today and see what happens. A lot of reds and yellows, so which I'm not a big fan of.
So doing pretty good here, 167 knots true, 165 knots ground speed. So obviously the pressure is getting lower and lower. So I started with 3013, now it is 3002, and
November 900 Alpha Whiskey, contact Evansville approach on 12402, 2402, great day.
2402, 0 Alpha Whiskey, thanks for your help. Approach Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, level 8000.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, Evansville approach, Evansville altimeter 3002.
3002, 0 Alpha Whiskey. So on the long flights like this is perfect. So this is flying eyes glasses. This is actually a prescription glasses with sunglass attachment. Works really well. Probably the best one that I ever had. I've been using for about 2 years now. So long flights like this, very comfortable. Just slides under the headset. Makes a pretty decent seal as well. So you get 10% off using my code Aviator51. The checkout.
Common confirmation, Mike. Tom 1517 Zulu special observation. When 270 at 4, visibility 10, ceiling 2,100 broken, 900,500 overcast, temperature 27, 2.24, altimeter 3000, RNF runway 23 and 14 approaches in use. VOR on.
Okay, so let's look at the runway 23. So might be clear to the final, hopefully.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, contact Terre Haute approach 135.35 display.
135.35, 0 Alpha Whiskey, thank you. Approach Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, level 8000.
Number 0 Alpha Whiskey, expect the RNAV 23 approach at home and advise information, Mike.
We have information, Mike, 0 Alpha Whiskey. Has not cleared me to the approach yet.
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, 7 miles from M2, continue a left turn heading 260, maintain 3000 to establish, cleared RNAV runway 23 approach.
Maintain 3000 till established, turn left with 260, 0 Alpha Whiskey, cleared to the RNAV runway 23. Final. So we're coming up on QoS, 2 miles. Alright, so the runway, airport in sight. Gas is good, mixture full, props full, carriage gear down and locked. Try 3 lights, push flaps, looking good. Let the airplane fly, the approach. Alright, we're coming up on QoS. So that's our final approach fix. Autopilot disconnect.
500.
About 500 feet.
500.
Alright, so we are here at Terre Haute, the Hellman Field. So got some fuel, and looks like the weather is getting better. So we're gonna try to depart to Milwaukee, and then we're gonna drive from Milwaukee to Oshkosh later tonight. This is a pretty sweet airport, actually. There's a nice cafe here, and I met Greg Coons, an airshow performer. So his decathlon is right there. I don't know if you can see it. The far to the left, you can see the little tail, red tail. So that's his bird. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Alpha Whiskey.
November 650, turn left heading 360. 0 Alpha Whiskey, return barrier. Over that spot with the seatbelt inspection delay message.
Alpha Whiskey. 700 Alpha Whiskey.
Number 0 Alpha Whiskey, what's your speed?
Port 150 knots, descending 0 Alpha Whiskey.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, turn left heading 090, join the localizer.
090, join the localizer, 0 Alpha Whiskey. Or Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, visual for right, 7 right.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, Milwaukee Tower. Guys, are we guys parking today?
Looking at the Jet Aviation, Zero Alpha Whiskey.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, Roger, cautiously turbulence, you are following the CRJ on about a mile and a half final, runway 7 right, clear to land.
7 right, clear to land, Zero Alpha Whiskey.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, cancel your approach clearance, make a right 360, report back on final.
Right 360, Zero Alpha Whiskey.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, thank you for your help. Once you're back established on final, runway 7 right, you are clear to land.
Zero Alpha Whiskey, thank you.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, thanks again for the help there on final. Turn right over the next taxiway on Alpha 3, contact ground point 8.